I've been a plumber for over 25 years, and when I go to a customer's house that's having toilet problems as far as with the trip lever, I always recommend Korky. These are very durable trip levers, and they're completely universal. I've got a Kohler toilet here, and it's got a side trip lever handle. And that's kind of the thing you run into when you go to the hardware store. You end up getting a trip lever that doesn't fit right. Korky took care of that issue with their universal toilet trip lever. This is the 6070 model. I really like this trip lever. It is very sleek, it looks great, and it's very contemporary looking as far as a handle goes. I'm going to show you how to install it. Just takes a second. The only thing we're going to need is an adjustable pair of pliers. You can turn the water off, leave it on, doesn't make a difference. I'm going to go ahead and turn the water off just for noise value while I'm doing this. First thing we're going to do is unclip the chain. Next thing we're going to do is unloosen the handle. And that's going to rotate to the back. So we're going to take our Korky. We're going to pull our little red tab. Unspin the nut, and the nice thing about these is the spring action on them. I love it. This is one of the leading problems on toilet trip levers, is holding the flapper up and having all that water get wasted. So we're going to throw that on, tighten that up, and it's got a rubber grip on the opposite side, so it tightens up very nicely. So now we're going to take our other red clip out, take that off, and put this one back on place. We're going to keep everything loose. Take the other part, you'll see Korky. You want to make sure that's face up. And we can adjust this just like that. So when you push it up, it doesn't hit the top of the lid. So now we're just going to take our clips, plop it back on. Now there is a clip on this one that is for just in case you lose your clip on your chain. But I don't mess with that, so just going to leave that hang. I want to reclip our chain. Now you can see we're not fitting right, so I'm going to take this back off. I'm actually going to untake this one. I want a little bit of slack in that chain. Like I said, it doesn't matter where these clips go as long as you get in. There we go. Okay, and you can see how nice it looks. You just hit it and it springs back down and does a great job.